Hi, this is Mike Palmer with Group 1 Trading, and this is the VIX Volatility Sonar Report. Today is Monday, October 24th. That means we are in the home stretch going into the election here. It doesn't look to be a lot of news this week, but coming next week, that is not the week of the election, the week before the election, we're going to have a Fed meeting on November 2nd. There's going to be unemployment that Friday. Now, if you ask me, a bigger catalyst for the market right now is what the Fed is going to be doing, especially in that December meeting, whether or not they're going to raise rates. We could see some indication in the aftermath of the Fed decision, which is not going to raise rates in November. Very low odds. But what they say after it is really going to be a very big catalyst for the market because people are really looking at the December Fed meeting as a major catalyst for the market. Now, of course, we have the election after that. There is a lot of trading related to the election we're seeing in the VIX. Today, we saw a big buyer of the November 21 calls. They paid 45 cents for 75,000. This is a pretty common trade that we see a lot, is that people buy calls somewhere in the 3-week to 5-week out range, and they pay around a half a dollar. They pay 55 cents, they pay 45 cents, 50 cents, and they buy a lot of them. This has been going on for quite a while, so it's not an unusual order, but this guy in particular seems to be trying to capture that real election risk in a very liquid November VIX options class. So that's what's going on in the VIX. It should be an interesting week next week. This week could be quiet, we'll see, but ultimately we're seeing big call buyers in November. This is Mike Palmer with Group 1 Trading, and this is the VIX Volatility Sonar Report.